Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to write vertical text in Microsoft Excel. This is a great way to save space when dealing with narrow columns and long headers. Let's get straight to it. First, click the cell where you want your text to appear. Type your text and press enter. Then click that cell again to select it. The fastest method is using the ribbon menu. Make sure you are on the Home tab. In the alignment section, find the orientation button. It looks like a lowercase a and b with a diagonal arrow. Click it and select rotate text up from the drop-down menu. To make it look professional, click the middle align and center icons so the text sits perfectly in the middle of the cell. If you need a custom angle, you can use the second method. Right-click your selected cell and choose Format Cells. Navigate to the Alignment tab. On the right side, you will see an orientation box. You can drag the red dot straight up to 90 degrees, or simply type 90 in the degrees box at the bottom. Click OK and your text is updated. Both of these methods are fully up to date and work flawlessly in all modern versions of Excel. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.